Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, Philippine Sport Country Living. Today's video is magluluto po ako ng Bisaya vegetables, and everything here is already prepared. So yan po ang lulutuin ko guys, and now we're going to start. So we turn on the fire here, and let's add oil. I use canola oil guys because they said this is a good for heart. So ito sanang ipainit ni ay ibutang na to ang mga spices. Okay, let's add now the ahos. Ito mo ka siya init guys.
River Hero, there's a villain, and this one's a classic. Kyle Quaid, or as he prefers to be called, Quaid. I think there's no back.
Lagyan na natin yung tomato. All the vegetables guys. Now let's add the eggplant. So sa garden lang po ito nakukuha guys. Yung ampalaya ko, ang eggplant, the tomato, except sa white onion. Ayan. So ngayon maglagay na po tayo ng mga soy sauce spices like that. So let's add 4 soy sauce to add flavor, and basil, then a black pepper, then oregano. Ganito ko guys pag magluto guys, daming spices. So naubusan po ako ng all spices, so susunod na lang yan po. Then a little pink salt, let's mix it. Smells good. Ayan po. So, lulutuin muna natin yan. So, I'm going to add cubes to add more flavor. Okay. Humuta guys. So, later na po yung meat here. Because the meat is already been cooked. That's a ground pork. Okay. Let's add here sibuyas, dahon. Ay, samot at kahumot. Hinaan po natin yung apoy. para di malata. So now ato na ibutang ang cabbage. So ayan ko magluto vegetables guys. Daghan kayo sa goal. Basta nalay ito. Okay. And now let's add the pechay. Ito na po yung pechay. Dami tayo guys. Dami tayo. So let's add a little water here. Just a little water. I think that's 1 cup water or half cup. So i-add na nato ang meat. Then lastly is the kamunggay. So finish na guys. Lagyan na natin dito sa bowl. So konti lang po yung soap. Hindi ko ba nahagdaghag soap. Mani favorite ni Philip. So yara na siyang lanlanon guys. Nangutan guys. Ako, kaya di man ko maglanlag utan naman dyan rice. So, yan. Ang sarap. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now.